So I'm going to start from cover. I'm going to play some of my original stuff as well. I hope you all really enjoy it. And yeah, please vote for me. Thank you.
Definitely. Oh, you did it.
Oh, I could bet all of the riches that I ever had, rushing the night like a shark, baby, would it be dark? Set the alarm with the thrills that are under my bed. You were my straw, nothing else could have lead me off track. You're innocent, who's to blame?
You didn't even know that, did you?
Drowning in,
You got taken off.
would you save me? It's a crime if you don't. I will grab you by the throat.
You can sing as well, can't you?
Look, don't start with me. Okay, just open the bars unleashed. If you think you're flying in the cup to the sky, control, he gets high as a wagon at least. I'm a life deceased. Bitch, I'm a breach of the peace, so even if I can not line it out, try to straighten your acts, but even your iron was creased. Just cause you can rap, man. You think that you're Batman, so I'm a good barge for D. The stars don't reach, you know what I'm about to prove that a jack man on the flying sky. Up for the stars, no wings by my side. Try out to call the crowds for even more, but no need to stop this awful to reply. You're innocent, who's to blame? Drowning in, would you save me? It's a crime if you don't. I'll grab you by the throat. I was starting this heat. You get chopped like carving on me, don't step to my guys, I'm Lord of the mic, but open your mouth to admit to defeat. I've been taking a seat, drop bars that will sink your fleet. I'm not a boat or a ship, you're likely to chip up a seat to your girl, but she's winkily. And it won't end peacefully, cause I'm nuts like a Reese's Piece. You're laughing at me, but you don't want to see me. You're so up, you think you're deceased. You're breaking the piece, I rent your bitch out, but I don't need the lease. No, not today, no, Frank's okay, and she's barking at me. You're innocent, who's to blame? Drowning in, would you save me? It's a crime if you don't. I'll grab you. I could bet all of the riches that I ever had, rushing the night like a shark, babe. Would it be bad if I had to set the alarm, cause the thrills that are under my bed? You were my straw and nothing else could lead me off track. You're innocent, who's to blame? Drowning in, would you save me? It's a crime if you don't. I will grab you by the throat.
Hey!